5 operation details of the multifunctional photovoltaic pile driver that 99% of people don't know. This photovoltaic pile driver can not only screw into the soil and drill in rocks, but also drive piles. It can be equipped with mountain legs, a 360-degree rotating chassis, a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder engine. With an integrated hydraulic operating system, a single person can easily operate the machine. It has a high torque power head, and it can form a hole with one rod. The maximum opening diameter is 600 millimeters. You are welcome to consult us in the background.